Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Friday, November 11, 2022. Today is Veterans Day, so thank you to our veterans. We appreciate your service and all that you have done to make this country great. Thank you. For today's Daily IQ, we're going to be looking at what has happened historically following some strong activity coming into a Friday in a weaker market. So yesterday was a very strong day. We closed up at the highs of the session. We closed above the highs of this week, above the highs of last week. So lots of strength taking place. And we're going to be able to put that information together and see what has followed it historically. I'm using all four instruments. Our setup is based upon entering long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time and exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, this morning we are currently trading higher in the overnight session. I'm going to add a gap up here from the opening filters library. The next thing I'm going to do is go to the price patterns library, and I'm going to add two pieces of information to add some context around yesterday's strong close. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to the active today, which is telling you what's true for today. And what is true here is we closed above the prior week high. I'm grabbing that right there. And then I'm also going to grab this day after a 5-day high close. So that's going to mean we're at the highs of the week as well when I put in that it's a Friday. So I've got both of those. Next thing I'm going to do is go to indicators. And I'm going to say we closed below a 200. It's available on active today if I scroll down, but I'll just grab it there. And then lastly, on the calendar, I'm going to click on Friday. That's been selected. Now I can click view results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time when you're gapping up on a Friday, and the prior session closed above the prior week high and at a 5-day high. So strength coming into the end of the week. We've got 21 samples here in the S&P, 15 in the NASDAQ, 18 in the Dow, 29 in the Russell. Win rates on these favored on 3 of the 4 at about 67%. So S&P 67%, Dow 67%, Russell 69%. The NASDAQ's the only one that's an outlier here at 33%. If we look at the average moves, average win just a little bit larger than average loss for the S&P. It's larger in the NASDAQ as well on the winning side. It is larger in the Dow on the winning side. Russell's the only one with a larger average loss. So 3 out of 4 instruments have win rates that are at least slightly favored, and 3 out of 4 have average wins that are favored as well. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We will see you next time.